So I'm gonna show you how to speed dial on this short video. I think it's a very important feature. And let's open the app. Right here. Okay, so we go from the beginning. We go from here, and then we go to phone, and then you put your numbers here that you want. All right. Now the first number is the speed dial. Nothing else. You can really call from the helmet the other three numbers here. All right. Now remember that. And you can call any number you want you have on your phone from, Siri or Google. All right. But speed dial, it will be only the first one. All right. Let's try it. Hey, Cardo, speed dial. You see that? It's calling home. There you go. And what you do is, if you want to cancel or hang up, you just press the unit once. And that's it. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching.